Diane in Denmark here, and rah, 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 it is Monday morning, start of a new week, fresh start. Love Monday mornings. I can't believe we're back in Flylady Zone 3 already. It seems like just yesterday I was making a video here. Anyway, let me put down pom-poms. I hope you're finding well. I have to say, I'm feeling a wee bit groggy this morning. I woke up several times during the night with these crazy dreams. Anyway, take it slow and steady today, just one foot in front of the other. And the two things I want to check in with you today. First of all, Flylady Zone 3, which is the bathroom plus one other room. If you want me to clean along with you, and remember, don't kill yourselves with the cleaning. I'll put a link to the playlist up there. And I work with you in all the zones, decluttering, cleaning. Only 15 minutes at a time. Remember, let's not go overboard with this. And as I've explained before, Mondays are generally the day that I do my weekly home blessing hour. I don't do zone cleaning on top of that and decluttering, and just keep it short and sweet. And when I'm in here today, I'll actually be doing a bit of my weekly home blessing hour in zone 3, the bathroom, because I'll be doing the windows and the mirrors, and also giving a detailed hoover. It's not very big, the bathroom, so that will be part of my clean today. And then the rest of the week, I'll take a few minutes just to do some extra things. Now, a question that I get all the time about the bathroom, and I'll just answer it just now. I'm not going to be showing you cleaning in here today, but I always get this question about how we keep the walls of the shower clean. You know, we don't have a curtain. We don't have a shower curtain. We've got glass walls. Now, I'll put a picture here. You can see we've got a squeegee, and it actually sits. The holder is like a little shelf. So I'll put a picture there, you can see it. And what we do is we just scrape down the sides of the bathroom walls and the glass walls when we're finished in the shower, and we also do the floor, and that keeps it really neat and clean. And then when I'm in bathroom zone, in zone 3, then I'll use a bit of descaler, line scale remover, just to get any extra chalk that's left behind, because we have very hard water here in our area. So anyway, I hope to answer your question about that. And the other thing is, remember last time we were in bathroom zone, I told you that I was redoing the grout with this wee grout pen thing, and it's worked really well. And I wish I had taken a bit of video actually when I did the floor, because I also did the floor grout. But I took a picture, so I'll try and put that there, and you can see the differences night and day. Anyway, we're not going to talk about too much about cleaning today. For zone 3 this week is bathroom plus one other room, and I'm going to be doing our guest bedroom, because I haven't kind of done much in there recently. It just needs a little dust and a hoover. But you'll have seen me working in our guest bedroom before. It's on that playlist. Because I also repainted our guest bedroom. Was that last year, 2 years ago? Gosh, time flies. Anyway, time is flying today, and I wanted also to check in with you about our 31-day exercise challenge. Remember, we're doing this Flylady moving in May, and we're getting extra steps, and into our daily routine, so that it's just becoming automatic to try and move our bodies a wee bit more. And you know how that works. When you start exercising a bit more, you start eating better, you're drinking more water, you're just being a bit more aware, of yourself and your health. So I promised to check in with you every day, and I've done it all this month. I was posting yesterday on Mother's Day, so anyway, I'll put the link to that playlist up there. It's got all the things about how I use my Fitbit and what I use it for. Anyway, for yesterday, for the check-in, this is day 12, day 13 today. Let me see. My brother's birthday was 10th, that was Friday, Saturday, Sunday, morning, 10, 11, 12. Okay, May the 13th. Do you do it like that? I always have to kind of count my fingers with the days, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Anyway, I was in the garden yesterday doing some garden work. You heard me talking about that, and I'll show you here. I was trimming the edges of the grass, and I was doing a lot of sweeping of paths. And I noticed, because I checked my steps on my Fitbit before I went out and when I came back in, and I got 4,000 steps, so that was good. Go me. And also I went out for a run. You know, that thing where I set my timer on my smartphone for 7 or 8 minutes, and I head out the door, and when timer goes off I run back home again. So I did that, and I'll put pictures here again. And I'm not measuring the distance. Some of you have asked, you know, I'm trying to run a different route every time just to keep it interesting for myself. And I snap photos along the way so that I can show you what there is to see. But I'm not too worried about the distance, because for me it's not about improving my speed, and I'm not wanting to be running 10Ks and half marathons. The idea with running for me is just to get out there and be doing something. I have asthma, so I'm not mad about running distances. The running for me is just a cheap, a free way to get some exercise. And also because I can play my own music, and that's what really encourages me, is to get pounding the streets when I've got the good music going. I used to have a gym membership years ago, and I used to go with my bestie Helena. We'd go to, you know, the step classes and up on the board, and actually I stopped going in the end, because a lot of the classes I just really didn't like the music. And I thought, you know, why am I paying for this gym membership when I could be listening to my own good music? And that's when I started running. Anyway, that's all besides the point. So I'm going to get going for today, because I've got lots to do today. And I haven't forgotten about the clothes swap party haul. I promised you I would make a video of what I got. And actually, my outfit today, this is all clothes swap items from years previous. My top, and my necklace. I know a lot of you like this necklace, and the jacket. So I am wearing clothes swap items today, and you know, all my jeans came from, my best jeans came from clothes swap. So anyway, I'll get that filmed this week. And I've also got a recipe video for you as well. I just need to put that together. But anyway, on that note, I'm going to get running. Not running right now, I'm not off running. But I shall see you tomorrow for day 14 of our challenge. And please just don't... oh, I can hear the dishwasher beeping. Can you hear that? Oh, that's the end of my morning routine. As soon as I empty that, as my morning routine is done. Please don't be too hard on yourselves and feeling like, oh, you need to do this and you need to do that. I've shown you before, just take your control journal, just see what's in there and break it down and just do one thing. As I said, don't go overboard with the cleaning and decluttering and, you know, and menu planning 3 different dishes for your family every day. Let's just keep it simple, sweetie, you know, KISS, I love that. Keep it simple, sweetie. So anyway, all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish sugar be with you. Beautiful sunshine outside today, but it's really cold. We were almost down to freezing last night, but hopefully that will change soon. So anyway, I shall wish you a lovely Monday, and I shall check in with you again tomorrow. Okay, bye for now.